Rebooting.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sebastian. I'm here to help you out with your reboot. And what I mean by rebooting, I mean by rebooting your system, your body, getting it back in shape. Summer's right around the corner, and I'm ready for my new body change. I'm about to show you how you can lose weight and burn it. In this channel, I decided to show you how you can lose weight, burn weight, keep it off, and become a better you for 2018. Most of us want to do something different in 2018. Why don't we do it? Only because there's no motivation in most of us. We need motivation, a partner, someone who can push us to give us that drive to get that body that you want for the summer. Are you ready to follow along? I know there are times where you get confused on how to do stuff, how to work these machines, these bells, the barbells, you name it. I'm here to show you step by step what to do and how to do it correctly, so you can keep that fat off your body. I know there are times and things that get in your way that will mess up your goals, but I'm confident that my routine will help you succeed in that. So, again, all I need you to do is jump off your couch, find yourself a local gym, get signed up, bring a partner with somebody, and turn on your phones and follow along. If you got music, find it. It's good to have music in your ear, motivate you to get you going. That music, that right banging music with the right beat, will get you right. It's 2018, new me, new you. I'm here to help you. So first things first, jump rope. I say about a good 5 minutes of this will get you and your body started and ready to burn. Here we go. Just the basics. Do it nice and slow. Take your time, no fancy stuff. Remember y'all, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that's all you need to jump rope. Try not to overdo yourself. Keep in mind, this is just the beginning. And I'm on the same level as you. I didn't start ahead. I didn't try to cheat. I'm on the same level as you. I'm on day one. You're on day one. It's Monday. Let's go. We gotta make sure we do this right.
Safe in your face when you say money dance, turn this shit into a nightclub. Yeah.
Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah.
Alright, chest workout. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get a warm up. That barbell behind me, that's about 5 pounds alone. So be sure to do a warm up. A warm up would mean no bar, no weights on the side, strictly bar. And do it as many as you can lightly. Here we go. first time user on the barbell, I forewarn you to test out your weight limit, what you can put on there. So there's 5s, 10s, 20, 5s. Don't lift more than what you can lift. I got 225s on each side, that makes it a 50. That's my basics right there. Go. Be sure it's underneath your chest as you push. Up, down. Second set, be sure to do 10, not 15. Don't kill yourself. Alright, y'all, this is the third set. We're gonna want to do 6. Here we go. Make sure to clean up after each station, sanitize your sweat off the equipment. Nobody likes that. Another one, the chest group. This is gonna work mostly all up on here, especially the middle. You bring it forward, squeeze. Make sure you do squeeze on every rep and every push that you do. Here we go. I got about 90 pounds over there. Remember, this is not for beginners, this is just a reboot program. Get your back in shape. Another thing, I got long arms. I like to pull it back more. Give it more of a stretch. Make sure you feel your chest opening up. Again, set 1, 20 reps. Called the bench press flies. Freehand. No machine. Everything has to do with balance. Don't do anything too heavy. You don't want to hurt yourself. Here we go. Alright guys, just be sure to always rest in between. Don't overdo yourself. You know, don't want you to be hurt because what I'm telling you to do. I ain't no professional certified, but I can definitely show you the tips and tricks on how to burn and look good for this summer 2018. It's here now. Can't run from it. said, chest day today is Monday. Other than that, tomorrow's a new day. It's 2018. YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, for my fans out there and consumer viewers, please tell me what I should name this YouTube channel. I'm still having trouble with that. I wanted just to call it The Reboot. I might just call it that, but leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now we're gonna work on our obliques. The obliques is pretty much this right here on the side. So you gotta get rid of some of that chub, and this is how you do it. You might not see people do it in the gym with this machine. This machine is mainly for your back, your lower back. Sometimes you can do other things than what the machine tells you what to do. This is how we do it. Shit hurts, y'all. Shit hurts, I tell you. One more. Here we go. One more. Don't give up. Came this far. One last set. I'm gonna go until I can't go no more. Alright, just want to say thank you for watching my show, my first vlog, workout channel vlog, whatever you want to call it. But please be sure to subscribe so you can follow through and follow along on the workouts and routines and eating habits that you want to learn. If I forgot anything, or if I did pretty good, or whatever you want to say, leave a comment down below. Once again, hit that subscribe button and follow along. Today was just basic chest. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the arms, the next day shoulders, next day legs, back, you name it. Other than that, thanks for following along. Again, my name is Sebastian, and help me out with my YouTube channel name. Thanks. See you until next time.